Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he's on. Yep.
Wait.
Oh, there goes the rod.
Go in the water. See if it's in here.
I don't think it'll be that deep.
It's this deep, yeah.
What you can do is on one of your other rods, put like 10 hooks with a sinker, cast it out and slowly wind it. So then you'll get the line and then you can wind it in.
And I've got them, my bait.
I might have the same fish as you. There's your line.
Yeah,
That's your line. Yeah.
How should I catch it? It's gonna fall. It's the fish, bro.
Oh, it's true. My line's not the one hook up, maybe.
Oh, it's my one, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, got it. It's my one.
How are we gonna do this?
It's a big one, bro.
So what happened there is it swam through my line. Oh, you got your rod. So my line's all the way around the corner or something.
Last year we got the fucking rod. I think it's yours or mine. One of us.
No, mine's up around the corner.
It's a massive one, cuz. I think it's mine. No, it's yours.
No, it's yours.
Is it mine?
You caught it.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
So we're both hooked up here. Oh, it's wrapped around all my line.
Nice.
That's what happened. Look at that, it's wrapped around.
That's mine. It's a good size of one.
There we are, trying to get it with your other rod.
Yeah.
And it ends up wrapping around another one. Look at that.
First cup. Coming with us, fishy.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he's on. Yep.
The big one this time. Maybe it's smaller.
Yeah, a bit small, I think. Miniature.
That's a good one too. Fresh one.
There we go. Here's that lighter colour again.
It's a big one. I eat them. You don't eat them.
They like running that way, don't they?
Yeah. Well, put it under it.
Yeah, you got to bring it up. Make sure you hold it out so it doesn't get stuck on there.
Come up. Oh, that's a foul one.
Fish on. No, you reel in. You do it.
Oh, it's on. Oh. No, it's on.
Swimming towards you. Just remember, don't pull too hard because they've got the smaller hooks on there.
Big one. I can feel it. It's a big one.
Pass your rod under here and come this way. Yep.
Got it right? Camera?
Yep.
What is it happening to you? It doesn't happen to you. I was telling God.
Walk this way, yeah?
You want to get your net?
You need the net or you just bring it straight up here?
Same size.